In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in n8n. For those of you who might not be familiar, n8n is an automation tool that many people use for their workflow solutions. Dark mode is a feature that not only adds a sleek look to your platform, but can also reduce eye strain, especially during those long hours in front of your screen. We'll walk through this step-by-step process together, so let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you have n8n open and running on your preferred device. Once you've done that, take a look at the top corner of your interface. You'll see a gear icon, often referred to as the settings icon. This icon is your gateway to customizing various features within n8n. Go ahead and click on it. After you've clicked the gear icon, a menu should appear before you. This menu contains different tabs and categories for you to explore. For our purpose today, let's focus on the Personal tab. Clicking on Personal will take you to settings that are specific to your account. This section is all about tailoring the n8n experience to fit your personal preferences. Now, scroll down the page you've arrived on. You should come across a section labeled Theme. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to visual changes in your n8n interface. This section generally appears after other personal settings, so a little scrolling might be necessary. You'll notice within this theme section, there's a specific setting that controls the overall look of your interface. This is usually set to default, if you haven't changed it before. This is the control switch we're interested in for enabling dark mode. Click on this default setting. A drop-down menu will appear, listing the available themes you can choose from. Among them, you'll find the option for dark mode. Go ahead and click on dark mode. Once you do this, you'll immediately notice a transformation of the interface to a darker palette. It provides a really clean modern look and is quite relaxing on the eyes, especially if you're working in a dimly lit environment or late at night. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in n8n. This feature is designed to make your visual experience more comfortable and enjoyable while you organize your workflows. Remember, you can always switch back to another theme using the same steps if you decide dark mode is not for you. Thank you for following along, and I hope this enhances your n8n experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy automating.